Welcome aboard the Avalon Passion. Let's take a look at a Panorama Suite. Built in 2016, the Avalon Passion features 67 suites and 16 staterooms. We stayed in room 309, and like all Panorama Suites, it was 200 square feet. We found the bed and pillows to be incredibly comfortable, which was really nice for when we were watching scenery from the bed. The minibar comes fully stocked with all items under €9. On one side of the bed, there were 2 USB plugs. On the other side of the bed was one European outlet. The highlight of Avalon's Panorama Suites are the giant floor-to-ceiling windows that open all the way. The large desk offers 2 European outlets as well. Have you sailed on an Avalon ship before? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.